guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. I know it's been over a month now since I dropped the video. I've been busy with schoolwork and exam, but I'm here because of vacation. So guys, we are on a field trip here in the school Department of English. So we went to Owu waterfalls yesterday, and I'm dropping videos, and I'll also be dropping pictures. I'm going to tell you guys a few things about the place before I drop the video. Owu waterfall is located in Owu Isin in Kwara State, and I think the journey from the place you see I come to Owu Isin is over 30 minutes journey. Then you have to stop at a village or a town where you ask for permission to go there. You have to pay, and then the tour guide will go with you. Then you start another journey of about 20 minutes. When you stop that place, bus cannot go there because it's very slopey. So you start trekking, and I think we actually checked for over 45 minutes or more than, I think it's over almost, yes, it's almost 4 kilometers. 4 kilometers to where the water is. Though the journey is very stressful, but at the end of the day you get to see the water. The water is very beautiful, very clean, and it responds to call when you shout Owu or Owu falls, then it falls down and it's very beautiful. Yes, it was very interesting, and if you come to Ilorin, you can check out Owu waterfalls in Owu Isin Kwara State. And trust me, it's a very beautiful place, apart from the stress that's to be. So now watch the videos and pictures. You are going to see my classmates and people all over Nigeria that came to see the beautiful Owu waterfalls. Mama, he's hiking something. This is bad. Look at people down. Look at people down. It's not easy, yo. It's not easy. Yeah. My waterfall. Yeah. It's not easy.
Gently. If you land on the floor.
Oh yeah. Oh my Jesus. Oh my Jesus. It's not easy. Look at people. Look at people. See. They love it for me. Look at where we are still going. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. You must have noticed where I'm taking this video. Actually, we are still at the camp kitchen and the Youth Memorial campground. Yeah, I think camp is ending tomorrow. Next tomorrow, we don't know yet. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and drop a comment if you've been to Owu before. Tell us your experience, how you feel about the place, and if you've not, whenever you come to Kwara State. Don't forget to visit Owu Isin waterfall. Bye guys.